We found the really big Foxy, and I think it needs to be put to the circus test. Shall we?
Right.
This is cute. Not for long.
Satisfying.
I mean, say your kid gets this new Lanky Box and they drop it immediately. Will it survive?
So we have this Foxy and I'm gonna drop it.
I'm a little nervous. This is gonna immediately break or break the floor.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, it is open. Let's see what's inside. It better be good. What we could have done to open it apparently was push the button. But that's no fun. Okay, what do we find?
This one. Ooh, it's satisfying. It will die if it won't open.
Oh my gosh.
It's
a squishy!
It's a golden Foxy.
Do you ever wonder what's inside of these things?
Yeah.
We need the scissors.
There.
Scissors! Oh, ooh! Ugh. God, it's bleeding.
Fine.
It's dead! Back to happy birthday to me. It's a squishy. What? It's like a plant or something?
Back 3. A Foxy.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
He must
But
die.
it must die.
He must die. To the balcony. We're gonna see if the toy survives the helmet test. Hey honey, how are you today? I just need a little help. Just stand over there.
Right here?
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Hello? Where is everybody?
Oh, it survived. It's so cute.
This is a big one. It's a rock.
For $60, we got a rock poppet.
Should have been like a kitty.
This makes me mad. We're not happy with the poppet. Let's see if there's anything else, shall we? It's so big! Ta-da! It is so cute! It's mine!
Mine.
This is too cute to be tested, so we're just gonna keep it in snuggles. Bye-bye. I like the stuffed animal. That's so cute.
It's a kitty robot?
Oh my gosh, that's cute, but slightly creepy.
Yeah.
I like it. We're 20 feet high to test out this toy.
So its tail fell off.
I'm sweaty. A ghost.
Ready for the ghost to die. Yes! 3, 2, 1. Wow, it did die.
Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna put with the other sticker. Let us know what toy we should review next. Bye-bye.
Bro.
It didn't work. Hey, you like your Foxy Boxy? Is that yours now? Congratulations.
She took my Foxy.
You like that? I'm glad.